Well, hello Rinconians, it's Rincon Steve. So I've got a number of subscribers who have asked me what's the next project. And I don't have a house to work on at the moment, but I have a different kind of house I'm thinking about. I wanted to show you my trailer here. I've had this for a couple years, and you know, it didn't cost me much. It was like 200 bucks. And I used it a little bit for hauling trash. But then I got a different trailer, flat, you know, like a pickup truck bed trailer, which works really good. And this thing is just kind of sitting and rotting into the ground. And I was thinking of modifying it into a dump trailer, and but you know, I'm really enamored by the teardrop movement and a lot of people building teardrops. And I started thinking about how this would be the perfect frame base for a teardrop camper. So I don't know, what do you guys think? This is just the beginning phases. I haven't committed into anything, and I want to get your feedback, so let me know. So just to kind of go over some of the specs here, this is 8 feet long, which is just right. Most of the teardrops are about 8 by 5. Now the width is the difference. This is, I've seen them 4 to 5 feet wide. This is 4.5 feet wide. So I still think that's pretty good. 14-inch wheels, and I'm not sure on the ball size, but anyway, I think that can work. Right now, I've been watching another channel, Oregon Batman. He does a real nice job with a teardrop step by step, and I bought his plans. Check him out, Oregon Batman. Paid $15 for his plans, and mostly I liked his layout for how to cut the actual teardrop shape. But the only difference with this frame and his design is the width. He uses 8 by 4. But I think when we look into it, let me just close this up so you can see the back. See, it's pretty bad. But the plywood doesn't matter. It's all about the frame underneath. I think I can modify his plans just to add that extra 6 inches, because it's 4.5 width here. And you see, you put a spacer to get the fenders out over the wheel, so it might actually be a little more than 4.5. But either way, I think the one reason he does that in his design is because of the full, just a sheet of plywood. That makes it easier, whereas I'd have to figure out ways to do that differently. Anyway, so this is Rincon Steve. Stay tuned as we do more thinking and planning for this. Let's see if I have time for it as well.